Hello everyone, welcome to English Minute, the place where you can learn simple, real-life English in just a few minutes every day. Here we practice easy conversations, improve speaking skills, and learn English the fun way. So relax, listen, and speak along. Let's start learning English, 1 minute at a time. Shopping mall, buying a gift. Hello, welcome to Moormart Gifts. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a birthday gift for my friend. Do you have anything special?
Yes, we have a new collection of scented candles and mugs. What kind of gift do you prefer?
Maybe something nice, but not too expensive. I like the mug idea.
Great choice. These ceramic mugs are handmade and come in different colors. Do you have a color in mind?
I think pastel colors would be nice. Do you have pastel blue or green?
Yes, we do. Here's pastel blue and here's pastel green. Which one do you like more?
I'll pick the pastel green one. It looks calm and pretty.
Good pick. Would you like to add a small greeting card with it?
That sounds lovely. Do you have cards with birthday messages?
Yes, we have several designs. This one says, "Happy Birthday" in gold letters. Would you like that?
Perfect. I'll take it.
Anything else you'd like to check? Maybe some chocolates or a small plant?
A small plant could be nice. Do you have something easy to care for?
Yes, this succulent is very easy. It needs little water and looks beautiful on a desk.
Great. Add the succulent too.
Sure thing. Let me put everything in a gift bag.
Thank you. How much is it all?
The mug is $12, the card is $2, and the succulent is $8. Total is $22.
Here you go. I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and your gift bag. I hope your friend loves it.
I'm sure she will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.